Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. I hope you all had a great time welcoming the new year, and what better way to start the new year than indulging in a black forest cake. This video is about the making of the same. To begin with, 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour is sieved, and to this 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder is added, 3/4 teaspoons of baking soda, 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder is also mixed into this. Next, the wet mix is prepared by using 6 eggs, a teaspoon of vanilla essence and whipped well. 1.5 cups of sugar is added to this mix and also blended well. Next goes in 3 tablespoons of refined oil, and once again everything is combined well. The wet mix is then combined with the dry mix and blended well with the help of the blender, and also a pinch of salt is added to balance the flavor of the cake. Now the cake batter is ready, and this cake mix is then placed in a preheated oven and baked for about 40 minutes. The cake is then allowed to cool completely once it seems to be completely cooked. The next day, 2 bars of Galaxy chocolate, each of 180 gram, is grated and kept aside. 1.5 cups of whipping cream is whipped until stiff peaks occur. The cake base is cut into 2 layers, and 2 to 3 tablespoons of sugar syrup is poured over the cake, and a layer of whipping cream is spread over the cake. Around 90 grams of chocolate, which was melted and added to 90 ml of condensed milk, is allowed to cool, and this is also spread over the first layer. The same steps are repeated for the second layer too. Another layer of whipped cream is spread over the top of the cake. The grated chocolate is sprinkled over the edges, and then the florets are made as per choice. The cake is then allowed to rest in the refrigerator before use and served chilled. This recipe gives a mouth-watering black forest cake. Do try this and let me know your opinion. I will meet you with another video. Until then, bye bye, take care.